Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a quick look at the Skillshare app, a popular online learning platform designed to help users develop creative and professional skills through video-based courses. Skillshare is mainly used for learning subjects like graphic design, photography, video editing, illustration, animation, marketing, entrepreneurship, and other creative skills. The platform offers thousands of classes taught by industry professionals and creators, making it useful for beginners as well as intermediate learners. One of the key specialties of Skillshare is its project-based learning approach. Instead of only watching lessons, users are encouraged to complete hands-on projects, which helps them practice and build real-world skills. This makes the learning experience more practical and engaging. Now talking about pros and cons. On the positive side, Skillshare offers a wide variety of creative courses, easy-to-follow lessons, and a strong focus on practical learning through projects. It is also great for exploring new creative hobbies and improving professional skills. On the downside, it requires a subscription for full access, and the quality of courses can vary depending on the instructor. Overall, Skillshare is a useful platform for users who want to learn creative skills and gain hands-on experience through project-based online learning. This video is made for educational purposes only. All the information shared here is based on online data and publicly available sources about the app and not from personal experience. Thanks for watching.